brown deers just went running by. Oh, the snow's pure and white on the earth, rich and brown. Just another Sunday morning in my quiet mountain town. The sun is shining and the grass is green under the 3 feet of snow, I mean. This is a day when it's hard to wear a frown. All the happy people stop to say hello.
Get out of my way!
Even though the temperature's low, it's a perfect Sunday morning in my quiet little mountain town.
Well, good morning, Stan.
Mom, can I have $8 to see a movie?
A movie?
Yeah, it's gonna be the best movie ever. It's a foreign film from Canada.
All right, here you go. But be back for supper.
Thanks, Mom.
Oh, what a picture-perfect child. Just like Jesus, he's tender and mild. He'd wear a smile while he wore a thorny crown. What an angel with a heart so sweet and sure, and a mind so open and pure. Thank God we live in this quiet redneck mountain town.
Dude, wake up! Kenny, come on!
Oh!
Kenny, the Terrence and Phillip movie is out. You wanna come?
Where do you think you're going? You can't. You have to go to church. Well, fine. You go ahead and miss church, and then when you die and go to hell, you can answer to Satan.
You can see your breath hanging in the air. You see homeless people, but you just don't care. It's a sea of smiles in which we'd be glad to drown. That's right, it's Sunday morning in our quiet little white bread redneck mountain town. Ready, Ike? Kick the baby!
Kick the baby.
Kick the baby.
Ike, you broke another window. That's a bad baby. Bad baby.
Kyle, we're going to the Terrence and Phillip. Oh my God, dude!
Kyle, where are you going?
We're going ice skating.
Well, take your little brother out with you.
Ma, he's not even my real brother. He's adopted.
Do as I say, Kyle.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Look at those frail and fragile boys. It really gets me down. The world is such a rotten place, and city life's a complete disgrace. That's why I moved to this redneck Meshuggah quiet mountain town. Ike, bad baby.
This program's brought to you by Snacky S'mores, the creamy fun of s'mores and a delightful cookie crunch.
Somebody's at the door.
Coming, hun.
I can't see the TV.
It's been 6 weeks since Saddam Hussein was killed by a pack of wild boars, and the world is still glad to be rid of him.
Oh, look, Eric, it's your little friends.
Fireman!
What are you guys doing here? Oh, sweet, dude. Yes. Off to the movies we shall go, where we learn everything that we know. 'Cause the movies teach us what our parents don't have time to say. And this movie's gonna make our lives complete. 'Cause Terrence and Phillip are sweet. Super sweet. Thank God we live in the quiet little redneck podunk white trash. You.